Hello guys and welcome to Samosa Reviews. Today we are going to unbox a very special watch. This is the Pagani design. I'll tell you when we open it, but I just arrived and I'm very excited to open this. One of the iconic Pagani design models, and been eyeing this for some time now. It's not on the top of my list like the Submariner or something, but I had my eye on this. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. It helps a lot. And here's a Facebook group which I have made. Kindly do kindly do join the group. Here I will post watch deals from different websites whenever I come across them. There's some fantastic watch deals out there and I'm always hunting for deals. I can share them with you. You can make your own collection there. And here's my Instagram page. It's Timekeeper1803, the Time Traveler channel. Please do follow it, or what you call it on Instagram. Please do follow it. So let's get to opening. Okay, I've cut off the bags and this. Okay. All right, so I've cut through the packing. And here it is, the Pagani design box. Okay, you guys ready? Don't you just love unboxing new watches? Oh, as you can guess, it's the Pagani design Yachtmaster. You get the papers, the warranty manual, the booklet, the card. There's nothing on it. I don't know why they gave, but okay. I appreciate it, Pagani design. They give the branding. This I really appreciate. Thank you. And we'll get to the watch. Okay, ये सब box ना अभी side में रख देते हैं. And let us focus on the watch. 1 second. रुको हाँ 1 minute. Okay, you guys ready? The beautiful Pagani design Yachtmaster. Look at that. Nice rose gold body. The Yachtmaster bezel. The grey Yachtmaster bezel. Screw down, yes, screw down crown. ये देखिए, pull it out. Yes. देखिए, hacking movement, because मैंने crown खींचा, seconds hand stopped. Hacking movement है. Let's give it a slight wind. इसका पूरा रिव्यू करेंगे हम लोग. अभी सिर्फ ओपन किया हूँ, आपको जस्ट दिखा रहा था कि क्या है कैसा है. उसके बाद दिस इज द ट्रेडिशनल याटमास्टर लुक दैट दिस हैज. द गोल्ड एंड दिस ग्रे bezel. It comes on a very nice and comfortable silicone strap. Very nice. ये मिलना थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा because golden clasp वाले मिलते नहीं हैं ज़्यादा bracelets. And it is powered by, look at that, the Seiko NH35A movement. I don't know if it's able to focus there. 1 second. Yes, look at that. जय हो ओपन क्राउन बैग्स की, ओपन केस बैग्स की. They serve as lovely conversation pieces. or even when you're getting bored and you just want to look at them. 100 meters water resistance मिलता है आपको इस पे, which is very very nice. Nice 100 meters water resistance. You get the quick release pins, मतलब आपको वो टूल अंदर डाल के घुसेड़ के निकालने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. यहाँ से सीधा आप इसको निकाल सकते हैं स्ट्रैप को क्विक रिलीज पिन के साथ. I may put this on a leather strap. I'm not sure. I absolutely love it, but I don't know. We'll see. Okay. No big statements. Abhi, I want to really check out the bezel action. Okay. I wanted to do this later, but I will do it now. I really want to check it out. Wow. This is really, really smooth. 120 clicks. Unidirectional bezel. It's just lovely. The bezel action is so smooth, guys. Just amazing. I'll give you a wrist shot. Size मुझे लगता है this is 40 millimeters. Must be 40 millimeters because Pagani makes most of these watches in very nice and versatile sizes now, and 40 is the most versatile size you can make this in. I think the original this was also 40. The original Yacht Master is also 40. Look at that. I'm the master of the yacht. Lovely. I plan on wearing this for everyday use. It's pretty good. Looks very nice. I like it. अच्छा दिख रहा है ना. I got this for around 8,700 8,800 rupees. कहाँ से लिया बॉस, मैं आपको सिर्फ प्राइस बता सकता हूँ. मैं द वे आई गेट वॉचेस, आप पूछते हैं मुझसे, तो देखिए आई गेट देम फ्रॉम माई अंकल, फ्रॉम माई फ्रेंड्स. वो ओवरसीज़, मैं उनसे जब भी आते हैं वो लोग, मैं उनसे मंगवाता हूँ. सम ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स आर इन द नेवी, वो लोग भी मर्चेंट नेवी में हैं, कुछ लोग ओवरसीज़ नेवी फोर्सेस में भी हैं. वो लोग जब भी आते हैं मैं उनसे मंगाता हूँ ये वॉचेस. तो my the way I buy them is not for you, so I'm not going to rub it in your face like most of these other YouTubers do. Hey वाह 6,000 में नहीं. देखिए, मैंने जो एक्सपेक्टेशंस मुझे 8,000-8,500 में मिली, आप अगर इसको किसी रीसेलर से खरीदते हैं तो 10,000 रुपए के ऊपर मत दीजिए. 10,000 फेयर है, उससे कम में मिला तो और भी अच्छा है, लेकिन 10,000 से ऊपर मत दीजिए. ओके, बिकॉज एट 10,000 दे आर एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू फॉर मनी. बिकॉज ये अगर इंडिया में बनता ना, इफ दिस वॉच with its sapphire crystal, 100 meters water resistance, Seiko NH35A movement, the beautiful design that it comes on, all of these features, ये अगर इंडिया में बनता ना तो 26-27,000 रुपीज कहीं नहीं गए थे. 26-27,000 में वो लोग बेचते इंडिया में, राइट. सो अगर कोई बोलता है ना मुझे कि ये तो चाइनीज है, चाइनीज चाइना में बनाए, अरे लेकिन इंडिया में कहाँ मिलता है आपको? वेयर डू यू गेट सच amazing value for money in India, boss? In India, the manufacturers of watches don't have respect for my money, so why should I buy their product, right? देशभक्ति के नाम पे मैं उनको enrich क्यों करूं? Why should I help them buy a Mercedes Benz, which is not an Indian car, by the way? They are going to be rich and they are going to buy a German car and they are going to have a nice life, and what will I get? Nothing. मैं वो या हूँ जो डबल पैसे देता हूँ उसको वॉचेस के लिए. सो वाई शुड आई नॉट बाय फ्रॉम चाइना? सो बिफोर सेइंग चाइना चाइना चाइना, यू शुड थिंक अबाउट दिस थिंग्स ना. तो देखिए, आई एब्सोल्युटली लव इट. इसका पूरा रिव्यू करेंगे, इसके मूवमेंट के बारे में बात करेंगे, इस वॉच इटसेल्फ के बारे में बात करेंगे, इसके बारे में इन डेप्थ डिस्कशन करेंगे हम लोग इसके रिव्यू में. थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग, एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस व्हाटसोएवर, प्लीज लीव देम इन द कमेंट्स. आई एम गोइंग टू ट्राई टू आंसर देम टू द बेस्ट ऑफ माई नॉलेज एंड ability. Let me know how you like this compared to other Pagani design watches. There are lots of reviews to go through. You guys can see many watches on my channel, so please do like, share and subscribe. Lots of watch content there. Please do like that Facebook group, my Instagram page सबके description में दे दूंगा, and let's connect. एक प्रयास है कम्युनिटी बनाने का. सो प्लीज़ डू जॉइन द फेसबुक ग्रुप, connect with me, and thank you guys, thank you so much for watching, and thank you for all your love and support. कुछ भी हो बताइए मुझे. Thank you.